Welcome to our first episode. We just came home from the gym, and yeah, I'm gonna cook steak tonight. And I think our steak is ready. It's called may bloopers pa. If you see the steak here, this is the kind of steak you want. You want the marbling in the middle, so that it's not boring. So I'm gonna cook mine here on this, what do you call this? Heritage rock pan. Rock pan. So we got some big portobello mushrooms. Ba't pa ginagano? Ba't mo ginagano yung kamay mo?
Oh my god. Just learn.
Oh, what the heck? Okay.
I watch a lot of vlogs.
And we got some unsalted butter. Yeah, no. Okay. Let's focus camera. Okay.
Look, see? They can see better.
And we're not sponsored by Dairyland, okay? Anyway, that's all you need. But we got some steak spice right here. And I'm not gonna show the brand because they might think it's
Can I turn on the...
Oh yeah, we need to heat up the pan, very high heat. And make sure you get your oil in there so you don't damage the pan. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Beatrice, why you spoiled? Pag may move lang yan, ha? Okay, guys. You see the pan here, it's smoking hot. Maybe you wanna turn down the heat a little bit. Then we gotta season our steaks. Yeah, that's my pan there, heating it up. And now we're gonna season the steaks both sides. Make sure it's evenly coated. Okay, with my steak spice here. Okay, see that? So, coat your steak with your favorite rub or spice, and just wait a little bit, and wash your hands and start dropping the steaks in the pan. Once you're ready, put your okay, that's good. So now we're ready. We're just waiting for the heat to come up a little bit.
I thought you would...
So before you drop it, make sure your heat is around medium or higher than, a little bit higher than medium. But so now we're gonna drop the steaks in. And you wanna hear that sizzle. Sizzling. Put first in here. As well. Okay.
Ow! Ow!
You want to put it on number 6 and then timer for 5 minutes each side. Okay.
Say it again.
Biswak. Now that's cooking, we prepare with our garlic. Crush it, dudes, crush it. Crush them.
And he likes to cook the skin.
No
too.
skin on it. I got 2 chunks of butter here, and just drop it in there.
He's beeping.
Hello?
Sorry.
Time mo eh. Just drop it in there.
So problematic.
And now, you turn this. Woo! Look at that texture, my friends! Woo! Shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look. Okay. Now another 5 minutes.
Wow, my god, Jenna.
And now you put your garlic in. Press garlic in. See that? Now, what is it?
Now he's gonna flip it. Just kidding.
No,
No, flip it like this.
no. Guys, don't do that.
Don't try this at home.
So now we're gonna
Just kidding, try it at
grab
home.
some spoon or whatever you have and start. What do you call this?
You mean basting it?
basting? Yeah. My cameraman is sleeping, man.
No, I was looking at the steak. It looks good.
So put that there.
Another 5 minutes.
We just wait. And before we take the steak, we're gonna baste it again. It's up to you if you wanna put your mushrooms now, or you can put it later. It's up to you. Okay? I'm gonna put her mushrooms now.
He's just cooking the fat.
Yep, just render the fat. I don't know if you guys saw that in the beginning of the video. There is a slab of fat on the top. So I'm just rendering that. Give it a little bit of texture. You see that, guys?
Oh my
You see that?
goodness.
Oh my god. That.
Waiting, the most essential part.
Long rice.
Oh my god, my mushroom's burnt.
No, ganyan talagang portobello, guys.
Smell that?
Let's see here. Zoom it in. Ooh, look at that, guys. Perfect. Perfect. What the heck? It's perfect.
Yeah.
Just the way she likes it. Holy smokes. Oh yeah. See that?
My video of your steak is way better than your video of my steak.
Why?
You'll see why.
Look at that. We'll see you guys next time.